Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's a fresh video and I hope you are enjoying my content as I'm just starting out. So firstly, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe so much that I can put out valuable content for you and it helps me keep motivated. Well, let's talk about the two positions that are available for the high ticket closing. So the number one is appointment setting and the number two is closer. So let's jump on to the first one. What is an appointment setting? So the appointment setting role or the appointment setter pre-qualifies the lead that he has generated through the ad or any social media platform through which the company sells their course or any program. So the appointment setter pre-qualifies it and locks in for the closer to make the sale and gets off the commission when the closer closes the deal. That's it. So let's jump on to the second role, that is the closer. So what actually an high ticket closer do? So when an appointment setter pre-qualifies the lead and locks it in for the closer to close the deal, so here comes the main part. So the closer asks a couple of questions so that he can close the deal by selling their product or services, by not being too salesy and being very not like a normal salesperson. So by asking a couple of questions and so it's a kind of a framework that he has to go through and close the client or close the prospect. So there are certain KPIs according to the industry standards which are set according to the commission for the appointment setters and the high ticket closers. For example, the commission for an appointment setter is 3% and the commission for a high ticket closer is 10%. So whenever a closer or a high ticket closer closes the deal, usually the appointment setter gets its commission based on the KPIs or the industry standards. So one thing I would like to add at last in the video is an appointment setter usually sends DMs or messages through mostly on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Messenger or LinkedIn or any other such platforms and pre-qualifies the lead. While the closer position is mostly held on the Zoom meeting and most of the time the deals is closed face to face and via Zoom meeting and they earn their commissions basis on that. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and thank you for watching. So see you until next time.